Today we're going to install running boards on a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right in. The tools that you're going to be needing will be a size 13 for this kit and a size 17 ratchet and some pliers. Let's go ahead and get started with the pliers. We're going to grab 3 of these little insert nuts. I remember the name. I just ordered some of them. I think they're like fast nuts or something. Anyways, so what we have to do this is close this gap. So we're gonna grab our pliers, just like so, and we're gonna apply some pressure right here. Close them in. It's perfect. Let's grab one of our screws that I already have prepped with a washer and lock washer. These are the ones that are going to bolt to the main running board. Those smaller ones are going to be the ones that hold the bracket. So anyways, let's just make sure that we're able to screw that in there correctly. Perfect. No hesitation. It's going in perfectly. And let's go ahead and set up the next 2. Alright, there they are, all set. Now we're going to grab the last 3 of the small ones, and we're going to go ahead and insert them here. There's a nice little tapped out section for it that has thread, and we're just going to go ahead and thread that on there. Alright, and this is towards the rear of the tire. Now coming towards the middle, there's another one right here. We're going to go ahead and insert this one in here and just thread it in. And then let's clean this little light here. I don't know if you have that or not. That's aftermarket for sure. Let's go ahead and come to this area, and we have a bunch of dirt here. So I'm going to go ahead and expose this area here. There it is. And we're going to go ahead and insert this screw in there as well, or this bolt. Alright, once you have those all set, we're going to grab our brackets. The first one, is shorter than the other 2. The way I measured it is you line them up back to back, like so, and you can tell which one is shorter. Alright, if you line these up, you can see that they're pretty much the same length. Oh, and I just noticed that has a hole right there, and this one doesn't. But anyways, this one is shorter. You can see it. Try to position it. See, this one's taller. So this one here is shorter. This one is going to be our first one, and this one is going to go right here. You just want to see where this hole is going to go, this one, and it's going to use this hole right here. So now we're going to grab our little fastener. Not too sure if that's what it's called, but we're going to go ahead and place it like so. Might need to hit that in. Alright, there it is, nice and lined up. So now we're going to grab our bracket once again, insert it here, and oh, this is going to be tough single-handedly. Then with the bracket in place, we're going to insert this screw right in here and lock it down. Alright, and there it is. Bolts on from the outside, and here it is. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to start to secure it from up here, then we'll finish tying it off over here on the outside. So we'll start down here first. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and tie it down from out here. Alright, and what I like to do is then leave this one a little bit loose, so when I drive this one inwards, it pushes it towards the frame, and then we'll lock it down. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and move on to this one here, and to the last one. So we're gonna grab these pieces here, insert them, grab our bracket, see where it needs to go, and then we'll mount the bracket. Alright, I grabbed my bracket, lined it up there, and there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert this one here. What you can also do is hit it with the back side of the pliers slightly to line it up. Perfect. So now we'll go ahead and insert this bracket and insert that screw. Then we'll do the last one. Alright, now that all our brackets are in place, we're going to go ahead and grab the running board, mount it into place. We're going to go ahead and put those big screws right behind them. There they are. So let's go ahead and mount this into place. Alright, and there it is. So now when I went ahead and inserted one screw, so I could go ahead and just have it floating there. Grab the remainder of my screws, and each one takes 2 of them, and I start off in the middle. That way it's nice and balanced correctly. Then I put them all in, and then we'll secure them. Alright, if the bracket does not line up with the holes, you might have to loosen it up just a little bit so you're able to move it and align it and put these screws, and then just tighten these back down. If you do happen to loosen these up, you might want to use a speed ratchet to kind of speed things up. Alright, and the way I like to align this is push this pretty much all the way up. You can see here, this is the gap that you have to align it, and if you slide it all the way up, this is kind of flat, and that's pretty much what you want, to have a nice flat surface to step on. So you want to go ahead and slide this all the way down, and then we're going to use the size 17 socket, sorry, the light's in the way, to go ahead and secure these down. So let's go ahead and tighten these down. Start off in the middle, and then next one, and then we'll tie up the back one and the front one. Alright, everything is nice and secured. Let's give them a try. And that's what they look like. Let's give them a try. Sweet. Nice and solid. Suckers ain't going anywhere. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.